IAI presents Ellyon, the most advanced electronic attack and ISTAR platform, a game-changing multi-mission solution with full-spectrum jamming capability. Ellyon executes its missions in standoff range, operating well beyond enemy kill zones. Designed to overcome the most dangerous threats, even in the face of integrated air defense. Ellyon deploying advanced intelligence suites. The aircraft is equipped with an integrated intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance suite, comprising a next-generation AESA radar, a long-range multispectral payload, and a cutting-edge SIGINT capability. This powerful intelligence asset enables the creation of a persistent and comprehensive situational awareness picture, supports rapid target generation. Immediately upon the detection of threats, the aircraft activate a full-spectrum jamming capability to disrupt enemy command and control networks. Powered by AI and machine learning, Ellyon integrates intelligent data into a unified operational picture, enabling commanders to make critical decisions and authorize strategic strikes. Ellyon enables mission success by clearing the way with advanced electronic attack. IAI's Ellyon, the game-changer solution for spectrum dominance and air superiority.